Hello, it's Koko Cooks channel, and today we're gonna make some amazing fluffy Japanese pancakes.
So first thing first, we add 1 spoon of milk into 2 egg yolks and we mix well. Now we add 4 tablespoons of flour and half a teaspoon of baking powder. This is what we have. Set that aside. Then we need to have some whipped egg whites. Let's start whipping. Adding half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Adding 2 teaspoons of sugar. Let's check the peaks. Now we start to introduce each other. First we mix quickly. Second party. And now let's put the rest on. And you don't have to be that energetic in the third time. Just mix it well. Let's put it into a frying pan. Now the frying pan shouldn't be very hot. It should be on a very low heat. I have induction, I put it on 5. So let's put it on a low heat, I put it on 5. Spray some olive oil, or you can use butter. Let's go. And we wait a bit. Alright, speed up the process. This is what we have in the end. Let's try it. They're amazing. I like them a lot. The only difficulty you can find is on the stage when you mix egg yolks with the flour. It might get too rough. If it gets too rough, just add a bit of water and then voila, you have amazing fluffy pancakes. I mean, who doesn't like pancakes, right? Again, thank you very much for watching me. If you like what I'm doing, hit the like button. If you don't like what I'm doing, hit the dislike button and leave any comment if you feel like. Thank you very much. I'll share more recipes later. Thank you. Bye.